Hello children. Today's topic is what is cooking? Cooking is an art. Cooking is process to make food ready to eat by heating it. Cooking can kill bacteria that may be in the food. Raw food is food that is not cooked. Some foods are good to eat raw. Other foods are not good for the body when they are raw. So they must be cooked. Some foods are good to eat either raw or cooked. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Let us discuss the things that are eaten raw: fruits and some vegetables, raw food salad, etc. Things that are eaten cooked: dal, rice, chapati, etc. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked: carrot, cucumber, tomato, etc. Let us see the different types of utensils for cooking. People use utensils to cook food. Utensils are made up of steel, iron, copper, brass, clay, and other metal as well. Nowadays, we use more of steel, which is an alloy. An alloy is a mixture of different metal. The pressure cooker helps to cook food quickly like rice, dal. Kadai. Kadai is a deep frying pan. It is used for frying food items. Tawa. Tawa is used to cook chapati, dosa, paratas, etc. Clay pot. It is used to store water. Elder people use these kind of utensils to cook. The different type of spoons and ladles used to stir and serve food items. There are several different ways to cook food: boiling, steaming, roasting, frying, baking, grilling. Boiling. Boiling cooks food in hot water. Example, vegetable soup. It's easier to digest. Steaming. Steaming that works by boiling water, which vaporizes into steam. It is the steam that carries heat to the food cooking. Example, idli, puttu, idiyappam, etc. Roasting. Roasting is a dry heat of cooking. Example, roast chicken. Frying. The cooking of food in hot oils. Example, vada, puri. Baking. Baking is a process of cooking by dry heat, typically in an oven. Example, bread, cake, cookies. Grilling. Grilling is a form of cooking that involves dry heat applied to the surface of food, commonly from above, below, or from the side. Example, grilled chicken. Nowadays, cooking is often done in a kitchen using a gas stove. There are several types of stove. Let us see them. Microwave. Microwaving is cooking food in a microwave oven. Solar cooking. A solar cooker is a device which uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat. Electric stove. Electric stove is a stove with an integrated electrical heating device to cook. Electric stove become popular as replacements of kerosene stove, coal stove, wood stove because it takes more time to cook. Cow dung cake stove. It made from the products of animal wastage are traditionally used as fuel in India for cooking food in a domestic hearth. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate. after so much of effort. You are eating a delicious food each and every day. Behind this delicious food, more and more effort behind that. So, please don't waste the food. If you are wasting food, it's like wasting one of the labor. Try to help your mother while cooking. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you, my dear kids.